Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to rekey a lock, and I have two keys right over here. So I have my original key marked in red and the new one marked in blue color. So I have my door locked over here, and I'm going to take my original key, place it in there, and it unlocks the door just like this, right? Now we lock it. As you can see, it's locked. And then we take our blue key, the new one, and we test it out. It doesn't work. It doesn't want to open, right? So I'm going to show you how you can swap these from the old one to the new one. So you take our old one, marked in red again, and then you would just want to place it in, turn it 90 degrees this way, the right side, like this. And then you see this small little hole over here above the key. So you would want to take one of these tools that came inside the box, these ones, and you want to place it in just like this, and you would hear like a click sound. And then once you hear it, take this pin out, then take this key out. Do not turn it or anything, just take it out. Take your new one, it's marked in blue, and then place it in just like this, and then you turn it all the way around. And then now, as you can see, it works. And then let's test our original key right over here. That was working, and now it is not. See, as you can see, it's not gonna work. So there we have it. We have swapped our keys from the red one to the blue one. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.